Hello, my name is Bill Evans. I'm the CEO of BlueZoo Inc. We're based in Menlo Park, California. BlueZoo Inc. is a company dedicated to audience measurement. We measure the number of impressions that are delivered by signage, whether digital signage or traditional signage. We determine the number of impressions by counting the number of smartphones that are located in the view shed of the signage. At the show today, we're announcing two things. We're announcing a new product based on BLE technology, where we measure audiences using passive BLE advertising detection. The second announcement we're making is of a relationship we have, a collaboration with Google to optimize in-store video advertising by combining Google's video synthesis technology with our audience measurement technology. For each video advertisement, we calculate revenue per impression so that multiple alternative advertisements can be compared to determine which advertisement is the most high-performing advertisement. This is a replacement to the traditional technique of saying, I think that this advertisement is best, and someone else thinking another advertisement is best. We're replacing opinions with data. You can learn more about BlueZoo at bluezoo.io.